morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class. Yes, today what are the things we are going to learn in the sense from the history part? Yes, World War II lesson. Okay, so this is the last day for this class. Okay, this lesson. Okay, World War II. World War II in the sense 1939 it was started. Is it 1939 it was started till 1945? Yes, by signing the Treaty of Paris, this World War was ended. Okay, World War II was ended. Yes, the last class, what are the things we learned? Causes for the World War we learned. Course of the World War also we learned. So this time, okay, effects of the World War also I had completed, children. Okay, so this time today, what are the things that Holocaust, okay, by Hitler, as well as that UNO regarding United Nations organizations and its works. Yes, everything we are going to learn from this lesson. Okay, children. Yes. First of all, so in your book you can take it page number 33. Okay, page number 33 you can take it, children. Holocaust and its fallout. Yes, Holocaust in the sense, what is the meaning in the sense? Persecuted, Jews. Yes, persecution of Jews in many ways. Okay, Hitler persecuted, Hitler, killed. Okay, the Jews in many ways. So that things only it is given under the 3.2. So Jews were deprived of their, deprived in the sense, powers, everything usurped. Okay, usurped in the sense, பறிக்கப்பட்டது. Okay, so that's a meaning, deprived, usurped otherwise. Okay, so Jews were deprived of their civil rights. Their properties were confiscated, captured, and many were confined in the sense restricted. Okay, so to ghettos in the sense like a slum area. So in that area only Jews were occupied. Okay, Jews were restricted, they have to stay in that area alone, they should not come outside from that ghettos. Okay, so that's a thing. Okay, so during the time of the Hitler's period only, these are the things and all happened against Jews. Okay, children. Yes, eventually the Nazis in the sense who, the Hitler's people. Okay, Hitler's supported people, Germans, otherwise Nazis, came up with the notion of the final solution. What is meant by notion in the sense? Belief. Okay, belief of the final solution, which was to exterminate. Okay, exterminate, later, I will tell that meaning. Okay, so extermination in the sense, after the completion of the Second World War, that these people, Jews, were, occupied in one area. Okay, so that was called as ghettos. Okay, in that area, they were, killed. Okay, killed in the, very worst manner. Okay, so that is the extermination. Okay, extermination, otherwise called as final solution, which was to exterminate the Jews completely. Okay, so the next, what is given in the sense, the blue color box is given. Yes, in the blue color box, what are the things are there in the sense? The word Holocaust. Yes, the word Holocaust is used to describe. Okay, used to describe the genocide. Genocide in the sense, ina padugolai. Okay, so nearly 6 million Jews were killed by the Nazis. Okay, otherwise by Hitler during the time of the World War II. Okay, annihilating. What is mean by annihilating? The sense complete destruction. Totally they were destructed, the Jews. Okay, it was one of the main items on the political agenda of Hitler as well as the Nazis. Okay, so Hitler was able to play on the anti-Jewish feelings. Anti-Jewish feelings in the sense anti-Semitism. Okay, so against the Nazis, whoever is there, yes, that is called as anti-Semitism, which were common in Germany and in fact throughout Europe. Okay, Jews were scattered in the sense they were spreaded all across Europe, and many had become prominent in business. Okay, many, no, business. Then what is given? Yes, business. Then after that, what are the things are given in the sense in your book? You can check it, children. The moreover, that in performing arts and professional fields. So money lending, what was their main occupation in the sense? Money lending. Okay, money lending in the sense, what is the meaning? Yes, vattikku kadan kodupadu. That was the occupation of Jews. Okay, so and this strengthened the prejudice against them. So this was against them, this activities. Okay, this attitude. Then moreover, in your book it is given Shakespeare's play in the sense drama. Okay, Shakespeare's play, The Merchant of Venice, clearly depicts in the sense, it described the dislike and distrust of the Jews among the people. Yes. So the next, what is given in the sense, this is the extermination meaning. So extermination camp, you can check this picture. Okay, Nazi Germany used 6 extermination camps, also called as death camps, okay, also called as death camps or killing centers in the Central Europe during the Holocaust. So nearly 6 million people they were killed, yes, in the extermination camps. So you can check this picture, children. The next what is given in your book in the sense a universal declaration of human rights by checking the atrocities of the Hitler, okay, by they were killed, Nazi people as well as Germans as well as the Hitler, they were killed, that Jews, by checking this, UNO, yes, UNO, in the sense United Nations organizations, okay, it was created, otherwise established in the year 1945. Okay, so it pledged in the sense it took the oath. Okay, Urudimoli, that's the meaning. Yes, it pledged to promote universal respect and observance. Observance in the sense, what is the meaning? Watching. Okay, so watching the actions of the things. Okay, so action of watching, that's the observance of human rights and fundamental freedom for all, without the distinction, without the differences to race, sex, languages, and religion. Okay, so the UN, United Nations, efforts, it put the efforts to protect the human rights on a global basis, world level. They are going to protect the human rights. So after the Holocaust only they were understood everything. Okay, so in the constitution of the UN Commission on the Human Rights, so a committee, okay, a committee, yes, in your book it is given a committee of commission on human rights, a committee constituted under its auspicious. So who was the leader? Who was the founder of this human rights commission in the sense, the late president Franklin D Roosevelt's wife, Eleanor Roosevelt. Okay, Eleanor Roosevelt, this ma'am was founder of the not founder, she was the leader. Okay, so she was the leader of the human rights committee. Okay, so the other members of the human rights commission, it is given here: Charles Malik of Lebanon, PC Chang of nationalist China, okay, John Humphrey of Canada, the Rene Cassin of France. So these are the other members of the human rights commission. So human rights commission was chairperson, otherwise chaired, otherwise headed, okay, headed by Eleanor Roosevelt. She was the wife of late president whom? Franklin D Roosevelt. Okay, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was its important contribution. Okay, the universal declaration of that human rights set forth the fundamental human rights in article 30 articles. In the 30 articles they had written the fundamental rights, fundamental human rights. Who had written? The Human Rights Commission. Okay, so the UN, adapted in the sense, what is the meaning? Followed. Okay, the United Nations followed this historic charter on 10th December 1948. One word answer, children. The UN adapted this historic charter on 10th December 1948. So this day, that is 10th December, yes, is observed globally, otherwise world level, this day was observed. This day is observed as a Human Rights Day. Okay, provisions are given, some provisions. This provisions of the Human Rights Commission, everything, it was included in the 90 nations constitutions, 90. Okay, 90 nations constitution also, they were included the provisions of the human rights. Okay, since 1948 onwards. Okay, from the 1948 onwards, yes, whoever countries got the freedom, yes, otherwise all together. Okay, all the countries constitution, they were included the provisions of the Human Rights Commission, human rights. Okay, so according to the Eleanor Roosevelt as well as the Franklin Roosevelt Institute in New York can be traced of this. So they were agreed this. So from 1948 onwards, 1948 onwards, nearly 90 countries constitution, they were included the human rights. Yes, human rights provisions. Okay, like that they are telling. The next what is given in the sense, birth of Israel. Okay, so birth of Israel para, the only 4 lines are there, children. The major outcome of the Holocaust was the creation of the separate state for the Jews. Yes, what was the state name in the sense? State of Israel. State of Israel. Yes, so this one, already, yes, already in the sense during the time of the Roman period itself. Okay, Roman Empire, Augustus Caesar, Julius Caesar, Octavius Caesar, during those kings period itself, these Jews people, they were the They were settled there. In where? In Israel. Okay, so that's a thing, children. The next what is given, under that 3.3. Yes, under the 3.3, what are the things are there in the sense by 1941. Yes, 1941, what was the importance in the sense United States of America as well as Britain, they were joined together while the war was going on. Yes, while the war was going on. Which war? Second World War. Okay, so that time these both countries, they were joined together and they were signed the Atlantic Charter. Atlantic Charter. One word answer. Later I will tell that one also. The United States of America as well as Big Britain, they were started to give serious consideration in the sense thought. Okay, seriously they were thinking as what for, in the sense they need the international cooperation for achieving the lasting peace. Okay, so they were lasted the peace because two world wars were there. Is it two world wars? Two world wars also over 1914 to 1918, nearly 4 years. Is it? So after that, they were signed the Treaty of Versailles. It was a humiliating treaty of Germany. So it was responsible. It was one of the responsible for the outbreak of the Second World War. Again, Second World War. Hitler, because of the Hitler's atrocities, Hitler's attitude only, Second World War broke out. Is it? So because of this, now two countries leaders, United States of America as well as the Britain leaders, what they thought, they need to achieve the lasting peace among the nations. So that's what they were expected to establish the international cooperation. So international cooperation, how they can be achieved in the sense through the organization. Okay, so through one organization. So what is the organization? So international economic and financial stability were also important objectives. Okay, so international economic level also the people has to sustain, as well as financially they have to develop themselves. So these are the other objectives of the the leaders. Okay, so all these would need international organizations with the members of the various nations across the world, okay, working together for the common objectives. So this ultimately resulted in the establishment of the United Nations organizations. Okay, so United Nations organizations, so World Bank, okay, as well as International Monetary Fund. Yes, International Monetary Fund. Yes, International Monetary Fund. So these are the things and all they were established later. Okay, so that's the thing, children. So under the heading of the United Nations, what are the things are there in the sense? Just before I told 1941. Yes, 1941, the two countries, United States of America as well as the Britain, they were joined together, and then they were signed the Atlantic Charter. Okay, so this declaration in the sense that Atlantic Charter Declaration of the United Nations was accepted, okay, by all 26 countries were fighting against the Axis powers. Axis powers, who are they? Germany, Italy and Japan. During the time of the Second World War, I am telling. Okay, what are who are the Axis powers? Okay, so nearly 26 countries also accepted. Okay, accepted. So that's what on New Year's Day 1942, the Charter of the United Nations signed. One word answer, children. The Charter of the United Nations was signed 26th June 1945 by how many countries? 51 nations. They were signed the United Nations organizations to establish peace, as well as the politically, as well as socially, economically, they have to develop. Okay, each and every country should develop. That's what they were created. Otherwise, that's what they were established, United Nations organizations. Okay, so it was signed on June 26, 1945 by 51 nations. So India was not an independent country. That's what it couldn't sign even. Okay, so after 1947 only we got independence. So that's what we have. We didn't get the chance to sign in the UN Charter. Okay, so now the United Nations has one at present. How many countries are there in the United Nations? 193 member countries are there. Okay, each one, some big countries are there, some countries are big, some countries are small. Okay, but everyone have an equal vote in the United Nations. So each and every country have the equal vote. Yes, so the next what is given in the sense? General Assembly. Okay, the General Assembly and the Security Council. So these are the organs. Okay, so first of all, I am going to tell about the organs of the United Nations organizations. In the lower classes itself, we might have learned, I think so, children. Okay, what are the things are there in the sense of the first one? General Assembly. General Assembly. The second one, Security Council. Security Council. So the third one, Secretariat. Okay, third one, Secretariat. Then fourth one, International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice. The fifth one, the Economic and Social Council, ECO, SOC. That is the thing. Okay, this Economic and Social Council. So these are the organs of the United Nations organizations. Okay, so that things only I am going to explain now. Okay, so the Security Council as well as the General Assembly, they were acted as, otherwise they were look like similar like that it is given. Okay, so these organs, okay, which are like the legislative, executive and judicial wings of the state. So in General Assembly, this is a, the when they are conducted in the meeting in the General Assembly, each and every member state, I told just before 51 nations, 51 nations joined in the initial stage like that, is it? So 51 nations also they have to participate in the while meeting, yes, while meeting in the General Assembly. So it meets once a year. Okay, yearly once only they got to meet, and the issues. So what are the things they are going to discuss in the sense, issues of interest, issues of interest as well as points of conflict, conflict in the sense fight. These are the things only they are going to discuss in the General Assembly. Then next one, the Security Council. Okay, the Security Council, moreover, this is the UN headquarter, New York, UN headquarter, it is located in New York. Okay, it's very important, children, you can check it this picture. Okay, yes. The next, what is there in the sense, Security Council. Security Council, it has consisted 15 members. Okay, 1-5. Okay, 15 members are there. 5 countries, in 5 countries are considered as the permanent countries. Okay, who are they? United States of America, Britain, France, Russia and China. Yes, they are the permanent members. So other 10 members, they were the temporary members, non-permanent members. Temporary members, otherwise called as non-permanent members, they were elected in rotation. Okay, so these two bodies, function like these two bodies in the sense General Assembly as well as the Security Council, they were acted as a legislature. Okay, legislature, what is the duty of the legislature? It used to pass the laws. Okay, so that is the duty of the legislature. So each of the permanent members has the right to veto. Okay, veto power. Yes, veto power in the sense, for example, 5 countries are there, permanent countries, is it? 5 countries are there. No, these for 5 countries. Among the 5 countries, one country that, for example, USA, it took some decision, but other 4, otherwise Russia disliked that. They can show their veto power. Veto power in the sense, what is that? Negative vote. Okay, negative. Yes, no, I dislike this one. Like that, they can raise their voice. So that is called as veto power. Okay, so this right, yes, this right has often been used to block major decisions. So for example, USA decision, if they dislike in the sense, other countries they can show their vote. So through that, they are blocking the major decisions, especially by the superpowers, the US and the Russia. Okay, United States of America as well as Russia. So major issues and conflicts and all, they are discussed in the Security Council. So the next, what is given, administrative structure. Under the administrative structure, what is given in the sense, UN Secretariat. Okay, so who is the present Secretary General, children? Yes, Antonio Guterres. Okay, Antonio Guterres, he is the present Secretary General of UN. Okay, so it is headed by the Secretary General. Secretariat, it is headed by the Secretary General. Okay, who is elected by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. Okay, it's very, very important, children. The Secretary General, along with his cabinet and other officials, runs the United Nations. So who is, that functions everything, it's done by the Secretary General. So the next, what is the organ of the UN in the sense, International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice. So headquarters where it is located, Hague in Holland. Hague in Holland. Okay, this is acted as the judiciary. Okay, judicial wing. Okay, so the next, what is given, the economic as well as social council, that is ECOSOC. Okay, ECOSOC. Now this is the 5th organ of the United Nations. This is responsible for coordinating in the sense இணைக்கிறது. Okay, coordinating or joining all the economic as well as social work of the United Nations. So the regional economic commissions functioning for the regional development across the various regions of the world. Okay, then they have been very successful and have been headed by eminent economists like Gunnar Myrdal. Okay, Gunnar Myrdal. So these are the things are given, children. The next one, other important organs of the UNO. Okay, what are the lower classes itself you learned, I think so. Yes, what are the other organs in the sense? ILO, we can tell ILO in the sense, what is that? International, ILO, International Labour Organization, ILO. The next one we can tell WHO, World Health Organization, World Health Organization. The next one we can tell FAO, yes, Food and Agricultural Organization. Okay, children. Yes, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. The next one we can tell now UNESCO. We can tell UNESCO. We can tell UNESCO in the sense. Sorry, United Nations. Okay, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Okay, children. Yes, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. Yes, the next one we can tell UNICEF, UNICEF, UNICEF in the sense, what is that? UNICEF, last letter F. Okay, yeah, UNICEF in the sense, what is that? United Nations Children's Fund. Okay, United Nations Children's Fund. So that is the UNICEF. Okay, then next one also, one more thing also we can tell, UNDP. What is the full form of UNDP, children? Yes, UNDP in the sense, what is that? United Nations Development Program. United Nations Development Program. So these are the important organs of the UN. Okay, ILO, World Health Organization, International Labour Organization, Food and Agricultural Organization, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNICEF in the sense United Nations Children's Fund, UNDP in the sense United Nations Development Program. Okay, yes. The next what is given? Next what is given? Yeah, FAO building. Okay, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. The next, this is the UNESCO building. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Yes, the next one, this is the UNICEF building. Okay, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. Okay, the next one, UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Okay, so these are the things are there. The next one, this is essay, children. So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Activities of UN. Okay, so what are the activities? What are the works and all they done? Okay, so the United Nations, that United Nations has expanded, otherwise enlarged its activities in response to the changing the problems facing the world. So many problems, they were controlled. Okay, so they were solved. Okay, during in the year 1960, decolonization. Okay, removal of colonies from the mother country, they got a freedom. Okay, they were started to get the freedom. That's a decolonization was an important issue. Okay, issue in the sense problem. Then human rights, the problem of refugee. Okay, refugee in the sense, what is the meaning? What is meant by refugee? Do you know, children? Yes, refugee in the sense asylum seeker. Okay, agadigal. Yes, Ceylon, Sri Lankan refugee, like that they used to tell. Yes, asylum seeker. Okay, so that's a thing. Then climatic changes, gender equality. Okay, gender equality, male and female, that male and female and all equal, like the gender equality are all now within ambit. What is the meaning of ambit? Ambit in the sense range. Okay, circle within the control of the United Nations. That's a thing. Then a special mention must be made in the UN peacekeeping force, which has acted in many areas of conflict all over the world. Okay, all over the world, and it has been deployed. What is meant by deployed in the sense, appointed. Okay, appointed in many parts of the world. Okay, many parts of the world. Okay, many parts of the world. So these are the things are given in children. Deployed in the sense, just before I told, no. Yes, appointed. Okay, so the next one, World Bank. This is the 2-mark answer. It's very, very interesting as well as easy also. Okay, the World Bank, the twins like that they are telling, Bretton Woods twins like that they are telling. Why in the sense of, which are the areas, twins like that they are telling, World Bank as well as the International Monetary Fund, they were referred to as the Bretton Woods twins. Okay, so why in the sense it was established in the year 1945. Yes, after the Bretton Woods conference. So they were conducted the conference. Okay, what conference? Bretton Woods conference in the year 1944. After that only these twins, emerged. Yes, who are the twins in the sense, World Bank as well as the International Monetary Fund, IMF. Okay, World Bank in the sense IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay, so it's located in where, DC, Washington, DC in the United States. Okay, so they have the same membership since the country cannot be a member of the bank without, okay, if the country, they cannot be a member, okay, the country, they cannot be a member of the bank without being the without being the member of the International Monetary Fund. Okay, so that's what, they are telling. Bretton Woods twins like that. Okay, so Bretton Woods conference, which was conducted in the year 1944, like that, just before I told children. Okay, after that only World Bank as well as the International Monetary Fund were established. Okay, so the next one, what is there in the sense, the two organs. Okay, so just before I told the two main organs of the World Bank, International Bank for IBRD, like that I said, no, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, and International IDA, International Development Agency, together they were called as World Bank. Yes, so World Bank now is, who are they? International Bank for Reconstruction as well as International Development Agency, together they were called as World Bank. So the main responsibility of the IBRD in the initial year now was to fund the reconstruction activities. It gave the fund for the reconstruction activities, okay, under the Marshall Plan in the European countries. Marshall Plan, what is that in the sense? After the completion of the Second World War, okay, so after the completion of the Second World War, many countries, they were suffered. Okay, many countries, everything they were lost now. So through the plan, through the Marshall Plan only, they were provided the amount to that people, to those countries. Okay, so the agenda, later it was expanded to promote economic development in poorer countries. Okay, poorer countries. So these are the things are telling in your book, the poorer countries. And the bank, lends money. Lends in the sense gives. Okay, lends, what is the meaning, children? Gives money. Okay, banks, lends money to various countries for the developmental projects. Okay, so these are the things. Then poverty alleviation, in the sense that they were interested. Okay, they have the interest to remove the poverty. Yes, a poverty alleviation in the sense, what is that? Removal of poverty, especially in the rural areas of developing countries. Okay, so that is the duty of the IBRD. IDA duty, what is that? IDA duty, IDA in the sense International Development Agency. Okay, they also lends money, gives money to governments for developmental activities. So these these loans are called as soft loans. Okay, soft loans, and are given at very low rate of interest. Very low rate of interest, for a period of 50 years, 50. International Finance Corporation, IFC, okay, mainly functions with the private enterprises in the developing countries. Sometimes they may ask for the one word answer, this one. Okay, IFC, it helps for the private enterprises in the developing countries. Okay, so these are the things are there. The next one, in recent years, the bank, okay, the World Bank, okay, in recent years, the World Bank is actively promoting the achievement of Millennium Development Goals. Okay, it improves the living standard of the people, removing illiteracy, okay, empowering women, and improving maternal and child health, improving the environment, and eradicating AIDS. Okay, so the World Bank, is helped. Okay, is helped through its money. Okay, through its money, it reached some goals. It improved the living standard of the people, removal of illiteracy, empowering of women, and improving the maternal as well as the child health, improving the environment, and eradicating AIDS. Okay, so these are the things that they have done. Okay, then next one, IMF, International Monetary Fund. Yes, International Monetary Fund. Under this para, what other things are there? We can learn, children. International Monetary Fund in the sense IMF. Okay, so in whose brain it was emerged? This idea was emerged in the sense Harry Texter White and John Maynard Keynes. Okay, so those personalities' minds only. So this idea was emerged. Which idea? International Monetary Fund idea was emerged. So that's what they are telling. This is a brain child. Okay, brain child. Okay, like that it is telling. Then it was formally organized in 1945. So 1945 only it was established IMF. Okay, with the initial stage, how many countries were there? In the sense, 29 countries were there. Okay, but now at present, you know how many of them are there? 189 countries are there. So what is the main objective? What is the main aim in the sense? To make sure the financial stability and development across the world. Okay, so the main agenda is to promote the international monetary cooperation, expansion of international trade. Okay, expansion of international trade as well as exchange stability. Exchange stability. The fund, you know, lends money. It gives money from its resources to the countries facing the balance of trade. What does mean by balance of trade? You know, two types of the trades are there: favorable balance of trade, unfavorable balance of trade. Okay, when we are importing the goods and commodities, if we couldn't pay, that is the balance of unable to pay. In the sense, what is the meaning? Yes, balance of payment. Yes, we are failing to pay the amount to the other countries, so that's a balance of payment. Okay, so those conditions and all, they were helped. Okay, so IMF. Okay, so it however imposes stringent conditions. What is meant by stringent? In the sense of strict conditions on the borrowing nations to tighten their budgets, practice of fiscal in the sense, fiscal in the sense, what is the meaning? Financial ability, prudence in the sense ability, and reduce their expenditure. This is often unpopular, especially among the developing countries, which may have to cut down on the various programs which provide subsidy. Subsidy in the sense, they were started to provide the money. Okay, some amount, you know, they used to give to the people. Okay, so these are the things are there, children. The next one, this is the 2-mark answer. What are the objectives of the IMF, International Monetary Fund? What are objectives, aims? Okay, to foster global monetary cooperation. Okay, to foster, to increase. Okay, to increase the global monetary cooperation, secure. Okay, secure in the sense, protect the financial stability, facilitate the international trade, promote the high employment and sustainable, you know, sustainable in the sense lifelong, need to stay. Okay, நீடித்து நிலைக்கக்கூடிய, that is the meaning of sustainable economic growth, and reduce the poverty around the world. So these are the main objectives of the International Monetary Fund. Okay, so this is the 2-mark answer. Please learn, children, this one. Next, what is that in the sense? And the last heading under the post-war welfare states in Europe, under the 3.4. Okay, under 3.4 it is given, children. The term welfare state sorry, the term welfare state refers to the concept that the government is responsible. The government, each and every country's government only is responsible for the social as well as the economic welfare of the people. So that's what, they were expanded the role of the state beyond providing defense, the defense and maintaining law and order. Next one, that 2-mark answer is very, very important, children. Is Beveridge report. Yes, which year in the sense? 1942. The report, commonly known as Beveridge report, was published in the United Kingdom. Okay, which proposed a series of measures, so many measures, okay, to provide the citizens to adapt that. The government, provided so many measures to, the people have to follow that, adapt in the sense follow. Okay, to provide the citizens with the adequate income. Okay, adequate in the sense, what is that? Enough income, health care, as well as education, housing and employment to overcome the poverty. Yes, வறுமையை ஒழிப்பதற்காக. Okay, so that is the meaning, employment to overcome the poverty and disease, which were the important, otherwise major impediments in the sense hindrance. Okay, hindrance to general welfare. Okay, so these are the things are given in the Beveridge report. Is what are the things are there? The government has provided these measures to the people. What are the measures are there in the sense? With adequate income, each and every people has to get the enough income, health care, they have to, they should not be, they should not suffer by any health issues. Education they should get, then moreover, each and everyone should have the house, employment opportunity they should get, through this only they can overcome the poverty and disease. So these are the points and all given in the Beveridge report. Yes, the next, what is given in the sense, it's very, very important, children. The last before para, after the war, after the Second World War, in England, otherwise in London, otherwise in Britain, Labour Party, yes, Labour Party got a success. Okay, Labour Party got a success under the leadership of Clement Attlee. Yes, Clement Attlee only was responsible for getting the freedom of India. Okay, so that person only did many things. Okay, later I will discuss that points and all. Okay, children, when I am teaching the history part, that that freedom struggle lesson. Okay, Labour Party emerged. Labour Party got a success during the time of 1945. Okay, after the completion of the Second World War. Okay, so under the leadership of Clement Attlee. Okay, Clement Attlee, it promised to undertake steps to look after the people. Okay, so they are going to check the welfare of the people, like that they were announced from the cradle to grave. Okay, cradle in the sense, the meaning. Okay, தொட்டில். Okay, தொட்டிலிலிருந்து, yes, till the grave. Grave in the sense, is it? Then legislation was enacted. Legislation in the sense, laws was passed to provide comprehensive free health coverage to the citizens. Okay, free health coverage they were provided to the people through the National Health Service, and monetary benefits. They were getting that old age pensions, unemployment benefits. So if they not have any job, in the sense, they used to get some amount from the government. So child care services and family welfare services. So these are in addition to universal free school education to all children. To all the children, free school education. So these are the things we will going to provide, like that. Who said? The Labour Party in Britain. Okay, so the benefits. The next, what is given, the last, the benefits can either be achieved through cash transfers, like old age pension. Just before I said, is it like old age pension? So many things they were given, old age pension, unemployment compensation, or through free services. In addition, these countries also try to minimize in the sense, reduce the economic disparities in the sense, differences through progressive taxation. Okay, so what they did in the sense, through progressive taxation, in the sense, what is the meaning? Those who are getting high salary, they have to pay more and more taxes. So that is the thing. Okay, by taxing the higher income groups at relatively high rates. So that's the meaning, children. Okay, the last point, what is the meaning in the sense, those who are earning more and more money, more salary, those who are getting, they have to pay more amount of taxes to the government. So these are the things, and all it is given under the post-war welfare. Okay, post-war in the sense, after the completion of the Second World War. So these are the welfare schemes, yes, which was provided by the government to the people of Europe. Okay, so these are the things are given. Okay, children, we can mark the question answers. You take your book, all of you, page number 37. 37. Choose the best answer. Already we marked, children, but once again you can check it, that children answers. This is the answer, 2nd September 1945. Next one, second question, Woodrow Wilson is the answer. Sorry, Woodrow Wilson is the answer. Third one, Battle of Midway is the answer. Battle of Midway. Fourth one, Hiroshima is the answer. Hiroshima. Fifth one, Jews. Jews is the answer. Sixth one, Chamberlain is the answer. Seventh one, B is the option. June 26, 1945. Okay, then fill in the blanks. By checking this, you can write it, children. By checking this, you can write it. First one, Rhineland. Spelling also you can check it. Rhineland, Rhineland. Second one, Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Third one, Roosevelt started the Lend-Lease program. Fourth one, Britain Prime Minister Chamberlain. Okay, children. Fifth one, radar. Radar is the answer. Radar. Okay. Copied? Okay, children. Next one, choose the correct statement. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, check it. Blitzkrieg in the sense lightning strike. Royal Navy, Britain is the answer. Lend-Lease program, Roosevelt is the answer. Volga, Stalingrad is the answer. Guadalcanal, Solomon Island is the answer. Okay? Yes, the next one, page numbers alone, you can copy down. I will tell you now. Page numbers alone, you can copy down, children. Lesson 3, history part lesson. Copy down. So first question where it is, post-war crisis, page number 28, take it. Page number 28. Post-war crisis and Germany para, first para, last two lines. In Italy, Mussolini. Germany, Hitler. And Spain, Franco. That's all. Second question, same page number 28. Same page number 28. Under the heading of the rise of Adolf Hitler para, first 6 lines, Adolf Hitler onwards, till 6th line, military past of Germany. That's all, children. Third one, Pearl Harbor incident, page number 32. Page number 32, Pearl Harbor incident. Pearl Harbor incident para. Pearl Harbor 32 page number, Pearl Harbor incident para. That para first line onwards. Then at last, 3 lines before you have to stop. One common cause. Enough. Then next one, fourth one, Beveridge report. Page number 36. Today I taught that one. Beveridge report, post-war welfare states in Europe para, second para. Under the 3.4, second para full. 5.4. Then 5.5 answer, page number 35. Page number 35, Bretton Woods, where it is in the sense World Bank para, first para alone, World Bank para, 5.5. That's all. Next one, sixth one, 5.6, what are the objectives of IMF? Page number 36. The blue color box is given now, page number 36, blue color box, that box full. Then next one, essay part. Essay part, you can check the page number, you can write it. Already one question we marked. Okay, one more, that is second answer alone we have to mark. Anyway, I am going to tell both answers also. Okay, so majority of them, that when we are teaching, they are chatting. Avoid that. Okay. Then page number 33. Page number 33, effects of the war para. First line onwards, page number 33, effects of the war fully. See like that it is given now, that is fully. New geopolitical alignment onwards till achieve independence. At last it is given. See fully. Okay. Then page number 35, second answer you can mark it, children. Page number 35. Page number 35. Administrative structure para full. Page number 35. Administrative structure, the 6.2 answer. 6.2. Administrative structure para full. And activities of the UN full. Okay, children. Okay, homework you can note down. Homework, what is that in the sense? Homework part. This lesson you can start learning. This lesson. Okay, this lesson in the sense history, World War II. History, World War II. 2 essays alone. 2 essays alone you can learn first. Okay, 2 essays alone you can learn. Again, in the Saturday class I will give remaining answers, okay, for a homework. Clear? Students, humbly I am requesting, when we are teaching, majority of the students are chatting with each other. Please avoid that. Okay. Okay children, thank you.